Welcome to MN Automation Academy Automation PLC. If you ever need your PLC code to react exactly when a signal turns on, but only once, you should use the R-Trig. R-Trig stands for Rising Edge Trigger. It detects the precise moment an input signal goes from false to true. The R-Trig has only one input and one output. The Q output will become true only for one scan cycle right after the input clock changes from false to true. So you can use it like this. You can create an instance of your R-Trig, call it in your code, and just check when the Q output becomes true. Then carry out your action only once. If you're interested in more automation PLCs, interactive simulation exercises, or complete courses in industrial automation, please check out mnautomationacademy.com. Follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube for more updates.